Our next function is clean. This function removes all non-printable characters from the text. Remember, we talk about ASCII characters when we talk about char functions. So in ASCII control characters, there is a list of non-printable characters. For example, escape or cancel, or there can be bell, there can be backspace, line feed. So these printers can't be printed. So if you want to remove these characters from your text, then you should be using this clean function. And you get these characters when you get reports from various systems and applications. Let's see how this function works. If you notice, I have this non-printable characters in the beginning and end of this text monthly report. So if I use this clean function with this cell, these characters will be removed and I will get my monthly report. Right? So this is simple. It is very useful function if you have some characters from a report which are non-printable, so you can remove with clean function.